Peace, love, and greetings, Rebel fam. It is your guy, Mac the Rebel, back with another video for you today on a very, very beautiful day in Washington, D.C., man. I am so thankful to be here. I am thankful for having you here as well. Before we get into the review, I have to, of course, welcome our new subscribers to the channel. Thank you for being here, family. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to finally hit that subscribe button and engage on the channel. And to my returning subscribers, to all my returning Rebel fan members, guys and gals, it is time to bring that energy when we are talking about today's shoe. All right, reason being is because this is a model we have starting to make a name for itself stateside. Now, this previously was a Japanese exclusive as far as the silhouette goes, but it has now made its way over to the States. That sneaker is the New Balance MT580 in its olive colorway. Shout out to probably one of the best brands in the States, actually one of the best brands in the sneaker game, period. Brand in general. I have to give a major shout out to my family at Atmos USA. Was actually blessed with the opportunity to get this pair at an event that they were hosting in celebration of the release of the MT580. It was a really, really dope event featuring probably one of the most knowledgeable New Balance experts I think I've ever seen. Shout out New Balance 365, aka Richie, bro, you shut it down. Thank you for the wealth of knowledge that you provided at that event. And we were fortunate enough to be able to purchase the MT580 that night. So for those of you who missed out, make sure you head over to Atmos USA's website and cop up either the olive leaf colorway or the workwear colorway that also released alongside this one. Retailing at only $130 USD. Really, really sturdy shoe, man. You guys make sure you check out Atmos USA. Stop playing before the shoe gets sold out, and then a few months later, you're gonna be like, dang, I really wish I would have got that shoe. You have the opportunity to do so now. Go ahead and cop up. What are you waiting for? And if you want a recap of the MT580 event from Mac the Rebel's perspective, make sure you head over to my Instagram page. You will see a reel for the event recap. All right, now let's go ahead and get into the review, family. So the New Balance MT580, previously a Japanese exclusive. Why is that significant, Mac? Like, why are we even saying that? So we know about the 574. The 574 was released more so for the States. Haven't really seen the 580s until recently with a navy blue pair. And then of course the olive leaf colorway and the workwear colorway that released alongside this one. Now, before the details, of course, let us go ahead and talk about the color paletting. I fell in love with this olive leaf colorway when I saw it. The brown colorway, although really nice, the yellow for me was a little bit too loud, but for some, the brown and yellow with that little hint of red on the tongue, it might be the thing for you. It just wasn't for me. That's all I'm saying. But regardless, Rebel fam, the shoe is fire. It comes with a beautiful, beautiful two-toned, a beautiful single olive leaf tone nubuck upper that takes up most of the shoe. You have a mesh toe box that is lined in a beautiful silver colorway, and you do have hints of 3M on the toe box right here and on the New Balance logo to give it that extra little pop when you're out and about. Outline the logo in yellow, and then that gives you that beautiful contrast of olive and yellow that you love to see in the fall into the winter time. Then of course on the tongue, you actually have that 580 branding right there in green and yellow. Then you do have that complement of white laces that come in the shoe. Personally, I would have loved to have actually seen a pair of olive green laces and a pair of yellow laces come with it, but I'm not tripping at all. Still a fire shoe regardless. Combine that with a white mud guard going all around the shoe, and then you finish that off with that roll bar technology that is in the shoe as well, which we actually learned from a guest speaker at the New Balance event. Shout out to the homie Richie, man. He educated all of us on New Balances and especially the MT580. The roll bar technology is actually indeed for hikers who, when they're going, when they're walking, when they're climbing, this actually provides that extra layer of crazy stability that they need on their heels when they're maneuvering rough terrain. That is actually what that is designed for. You love to see the cream hints right there on the back of the top part of the upper as well. And then of course, more silver mesh, more 3M on the back of the shoe with the New Balance logo branding right right there. Then of course on the inside, you do have New Balance running right there on the inner sole of the shoe. Yep, New Balance branding all over the shoe, of course, that right there on the bottom. That's mainly it, Rebel fam. Like I said, I flat out love this sneaker. I think that a lot of people, you know, when it comes to sneakers in general and the sneaker game, it's not always about, you know, the hype, super hype basketball shoes, man. I mean, sometimes it's cool to take that runner and actually run with it, you know? Here is the pair right here, family. So of course, make sure you stick around for the on foot that is to proceed at the end of the video, so you guys can get a full detailed look on what the shoe looks like on foot. The shoe is I've already tried it on. Super comfortable, very, very soft, man. It feels like you are walking on just a pillow. Like, it feels that good. As far as sizing goes, Rebel fam, go true to size, okay? Do not go half size down unless you really want a really, really tight fit. Big fit, for whatever reason, go a half size up. It's kind of unnecessary. Just go true to size, get your normal size and keep it moving. And like I said, this shoe is available right now on Atmos USA's website. I will tag the direct link in the description of this video. As far as the box goes, I would have loved to have seen a more Japanese exclusive type of box personally. I like the traditional New Balance box is fine, but me personally, I would love to have seen like I don't know, like something with maybe Japanese lettering or logo branding, or maybe even like a 580 on the box, or maybe the box color matches the color of the shoe, you know, vice versa. But nonetheless, still really dope regardless. OG New Balance logo branding right there. Got the size tag here, Balance logos that go along the sides of the box, and then on the inside, just some New Balance paper to keep the shoe nice and pristine. Rebel fam, at the end of the day, let me know your thoughts on the New Balance MT580. Is this a shoe where you're just like, you know what, I'll pass, it's not my cup of tea? Let me know in the comment section and tell me what you really think. Or is this a shoe that you're like, you know what, Mac, feel what you're saying with that color palette. Maybe you're not a fan of the olive leaf colorway. Maybe you're a fan of that workwear brown colorway with that yellow hint on it. Go cop it, bro. Atmos has most sizes available right now, so I want you guys to go cop it before those sizes stop being available, okay? But anyways, Rebel fan, let me know what you think. This is your guy, Mac the Rebel, checking out of this review of the New Balance in its MT580. MT means mountain trail, by the way. Just want to throw that out there. But anyways, Rebel fam, I love you. I appreciate you. Enjoy the on foot that is to proceed at the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. And we out. Peace.